Are you struggling to view images in your React Native app with pinch to zoom and swiping capabilities? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this common issue together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to showcase images in your app, but the viewer just doesn't have the features you need. Many developers face this challenge, and it's important to find a solution that works. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to implement a swiper that allows swiping through images while also enabling pinch to zoom functionality. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what's the issue here? The user has a swiper set up, but when they open an image in a modal, they lose the ability to swipe through the other images. Plus, they want to be able to pinch to zoom. Let's break this down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your image viewer even better. To enable pinch to zoom and swiping through images in a modal, the user should first install the required libraries. They will need to install React Native Image Zoom Viewer for zoom functionality and React Native Swiper for swiping. Next, the user should import the necessary components in their code. This includes importing the swiper and image zoom viewer components from the libraries they just installed. Now, the user can replace the Lightbox component with the image zoom viewer component. This will allow for pinch to zoom functionality while still enabling swiping through images. Finally, the user should ensure that the swiper component is properly configured to allow swiping through images. They can set the loop and pagination properties as needed. Fun fact, did you know that the first image viewer was created in the 1980s? It was a simple program that could only display black and white images. We've come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using the React Native Image Zoom Viewer library. This user suggests implementing hooks to manage the image viewer functionality. They create a modal that displays images with pinch to zoom and swipe capabilities. In their code, they set up a flat list to display images. When an image is tapped, it opens a modal with the image viewer, allowing users to swipe through images and zoom in. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your image viewer on multiple devices to ensure a smooth user experience. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these changes, your image viewer should now support both swiping and pinch to zoom. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.